So you've built up your healthcare practice from scratch, years of hard work, late nights, and dedication. But have you given real thought to your exit strategy? It's not just about closing the door and walking away. A solid exit plan can mean the difference between a smooth, profitable transition and a stressful scramble that leaves value on the table. First, get clear on your goals. Are you aiming for a quick sale, a gradual handover, or maybe passing the torch to a family member? Understanding your priorities sets the tone for every decision you make. Next, know your worth. Get a professional valuation of your practice. This isn't just about revenue. It's about reputation, patient loyalty, and future earning potential. With this info, you'll be in a stronger position when it comes time to negotiate. Don't forget about your team. Communicate early and honestly. Staff who know what's coming are more likely to stay engaged and help with the transition. Plus, a stable team is a major selling point for potential buyers. Now tackle the paperwork. Legal structures, contracts, compliance, get everything in order. Consider working with advisors who specialize in healthcare transitions. They'll spot things you might miss and help you avoid costly mistakes. Lastly, plan your timeline. A successful exit isn't an overnight event. Give yourself at least a year to put everything in place. It's about maximizing value, minimizing risk, and leaving your practice in good hands. So don't wait until you're ready to move on. Start building your exit strategy today and set yourself and your practice up for the next chapter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Prime Exits M&A Advisory. For more insights and expert advice on healthcare M&A, and for a free valuation of your company, contact us today at valuations@pexits.com.